Okay, Ghost Lady, your last question.
Wow.
Okay.
Wonderful.
I'd like us to go back to the house, and a lot of because there was a lot of people who were not in support of Tandega because of your behavior in the house. So in hindsight, looking back, and I'd mention it was the hair thing where you put your hair inside
The sink.
not the sink, it was the oven. Yeah, the oven. And also washing your face on the in the sink. So many other things. Do you look at that and let's not put it as, oh no, it's because the tennis match was not going back and forth, maybe people not understanding you. Do you look at it now and say, okay, and be able to say, I was wrong because I understand their perspective? Or is it something that you stand by and say, this is what I'll do and no matter what?
First of all, it has nothing to do with tennis, that thing. There was never a wig in the oven. I would never put Cambodian 5,000 pound hair in the oven. It would burn.
Oh, so it was
Oh,
100K.
5,000
It was 100K.
So I would never do that. It's the only wig that I ever bought. You can put it in there. Okay? It's a biomatter. It'll what? It will burn.
Yes.
Okay, so that is not true. You can clearly see. That's literally like the first week we're there. We don't have plugs. Afterwards, you see me connect because I have something to dry the hair. We didn't have plugs. I had my airbrush there and everything ready. I just didn't have the plug, the South African plug. I came from Europe. I don't have a South African plug.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, there's different plugs.
Yeah.
Now,
I
we
know
are
the
plugged now. Don't
international
worry. You
plug.
got a South African plug.
So in Big
You got a South
Brother,
African plug.
you're supposed to also look for solutions. So I opened the oven
Okay.
and I let the hot, obviously, hit outside. I did place it on the actual door of it.
As it was opened.
Oh.
Yes. So you can roll the footage. There was never a wig in there that would make no sense. My wig would never exist anymore, first of all. So I
It would
don't
be-
argue
yeah.
with things that are not logical. Can we think sometimes? In the oven. Really now? Come on.
That's what people say.
No, they were calling
What
her
you say?
because
What
the
you
hair was in the
say?
oven.
That's
think
what I
sometimes.
love about footage. That's what I love. There was never a wig. Stop going with what people say. What did you see? The end.
Did you see that? Ghost Lady?
So
No, I didn't see it.
The hair in the
But
oven.
think,
But it's people who watch the show.
no, but think.
But I just gave you proof as to why.
I get you.
You can.
I
So
get you.
That is all I'm gonna say
Okay.
about that.
Okay.
Second of all,
And you can
about
address it
yeah.
softly. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh no! I'm just saying something with diction,
Okay.
with
yes.
passion, and I'm
Yes.
allowed to be passionate.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So this is not about soft or whatever. Not. I'm gonna do it Tandega's way. How you receive it seems to be your own problem because there's no harm intended.
All right.
Just factual.
I hear you.
Second of all,
Oh, I get it now.
I get it.
Yeah.
I get
Sure,
the people.
man.
I get the
Of
very-
maybe then she is male-centered. Like she'll be nicer to men and then rude to women.
That's what Tandega said. That's what Lundy London or one of the ladies of Shami used to say it, yeah?
Yeah.
No. Having spent time with Tandeka, she's a sharpshooter, male or female.
That's it.
That's it. And she's easily, you can press her buttons easily, but whenever she feels like she's being attacked, trust me, she's going to show up and stand up for whatever she believes in at the time. You understand what I'm saying?
Do you watch the interview with podcaster Chill
Oh my
and
god!
Tandeka?
And
The
that
runner-up
lady.
of Big Brother.
You love Big Brother.
That
hey?
lady. Look, it's
The lady with the face and the
yes, that
and the
one,
wig
that one.
and the wig. Yeah, I did. Hey man, I'm
Thoughts?
just glad that they got the interview and not us. I don't think I would have particularly enjoyed that.
Okay.
Why? I don't know. She just seemed. I don't like how she spoke to Ghost Lady. You know, it was just a bit rude.
Also, I don't think she
and I
likes
think if she was
girlies.
on our show, at least like MacGyver and Saul, they like, you know, they
I don't think she likes women.
They can be full of shit, and so I think they can talk to someone who's full of shit.
Yeah.
Whereas I think, as personally, I wouldn't have been interested in doing that interview.
In
Yes.
engaging in.
Yeah,
Okay,
no.
fair enough. Wa re a rata banyana?
But I mean, she was captivating, you know. I ended up watching all 3 hours.
Yeah, I did too.
Of that interview.
Shockingly, I like honestly, that's first time ever.
Yeah.
watching
But I was
3
just like,
hours.
what the hell is
Yeah.
going on? Are we in Italy? Are we in? What's the other countries you mentioned? She said
Dubai.
she traveled to
Yeah.
Dubai. She was in
Poland.
Dubai. Then she went to Italy. Then she flew for the interview, for the Big Brother interview. Then she flew back to Italy.
Yeah.
Then she was working as a waitress. Then she was studying. Then she saved money.
Yes.
Evan, how long is my
Money
life?
From where?
I'm
What a
like, my
long life.
sister.
Shout out.
Wow, you're doing a lot.
So my takeaways from the episode are two things, right?
Yeah.
One, I need to call McG to order. McG coddled with Tandeka in the episode. Coddled.
They were
like,
flirting.
Like, well, flirting.
Flirting is crazy.
There was some flirting.
They were
but I
flirting.
feel like,
Okay.
but at the same time, there was an element that I was like, okay, is he coddling her or is he just setting her up to be too
Yeah, but
comfortable
you know with
so that
Meg
she can,
G-
you know what I mean? I mean, McG's a
McG's
pro.
No,
extremely-
but it was
he's
3 hours of
extremely-
it.
He's extremely intelligent.
Yeah.
And for
Yeah.
that reason, he's very good at dishonor.
No.
At the same time, what does she do for a living?
Living. When does she study?
Where is
When
he getting
does
all
she
this
go
money
to
to be flying
Italy?
up and down
When? Who
and
are you?
whatever, like,
Where?
exactly, you know
Isn't
what
she
I mean?
from the Val?
Apparently, we have a Vol inside source.
We have inside source.
We have a Vol inside source. Shout out
Apparently
to
they
the
call
Vol.
Val Italy.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So now we have someone who's from the Vol, who
Hallelujah.
says she's from the Vol, and then the Vol is also called Italy. So maybe when she's referring,
That's where she was flying from.
referencing rather.
Yeah, but you don't learn Italian.
They don't
in Iran,
have-
guys. So
yeah.
she does speak Italian, so she's no. I do genuinely believe
I
that she's
speak
a
French.
traveler.
Does it mean I'm from?
Right.
Commentez-vous,
But
ça
she
va
never
bien?
said she's from there. She's, guys. No, man. Hey, hallelujah.
So me, I'm also
But
now.
when they come after you guys, they got to
No,
did
I
not defend us.
flew from
Espanol.
Paris. For this episode, I flew from Paris.
No, I literally
And
landed
then,
from Spain
and then
today.
I'm gonna fly back.
No, actually, I came
Yes.
from the
after
Dominican
shooting
Republic.
This episode, right?
It happens. It's an easy, quick thing. You know, it's only 2 hours to go to France.
And also, I'm gonna use my pocket money because you
Moody.
know why my pockets are deep.
Because that's the thing, even if you're
It's
a
hectic.
waiter, guys, even if you're a waiter in Europe, guys, the money does not math. The math is not mathing.
Yeah, I
You're
saw there was a
Yeah, like what the hell?
And you know
So,
what?
like-
If she comes for you guys,
Yeah.
we don't give a
No.
fuck.
Okay, but also let's
As you said, apparently I didn't say anything that was positive. It was very negative. I believe when you say something, you must be well informed before you attack someone or say that they've said something. So I believe that you might have an idea of what you think I said, and I want to know what is that thing. Because the only thing we spoke about was the ghost lady thing, her being attacked when she
Who's
was
we?
trying to ask a question. Us as a room.
No.
As this
Apparently, you've said
podcast.
things alone.
Where?
I don't know. Whatever.
No, we only
apparently.
spoke about you on this podcast.
Okay, that's fine. But here's the thing. What I'm saying. When
No,
that's
alone,
not
never.
happening. Okay,
Never.
But here's the thing.
We were talking
That's
about
why
what
I said
happened on that
apparently.
episode.
Okay, apparently, those are words.
Yes,
Apparently
I don't
means
like assumptions.
not
That's why I
having
wanted us to
assurance.
finish it.
Yeah, but that's the thing. That's why I said apparently. I did not say unequivocally.
Yes, but
I
then you're
am-
planting a seed as if
No,
I've
no, no.
said something negative.
But I also planted a seed that said, I didn't really look. Because as a person, me, I don't really go digging into things that are none of my business. At the end of the day, that was your business. It is not
No, it wasn't my business.
Hold on a second. It is not my responsibility to tell you what you said. You remember what you said. I'm not here to get into the nitty-gritty.
But you started the topic. That's what I'm
Nobody's not
asking.
spoken
But
about
hold
you
on. I
outside
didn't
of that
speak about you
episode,
outside of that
ever.
episode. But
Hold on.
you planted a seed as if I've spoken about you negatively
Okay.
outside of this network.
Le-
This is a show where we talk about pop culture and things that have happened in the entertainment space. And we were talking about and reiterating what happened in that episode. So we were saying we did not like that the treatment that Ghost Lady got. It wasn't a thing of it was just me. People just singled out Londi London because I'm well known.
Which
I
is
think
fine.
that was the
Clickbait
only
and
reason.
all that.
it
And
was
that's why I'm
clickbait.
reserving you the right to say what you're saying right now, that people singled out, just as people singled out. So I watched involuntarily because sometimes I don't watch, but a significant other was actually watching the podcast. And Ghost Lady is just doing her job. When she asks things, at the time I'm not familiar with her, I don't know her. But over the times, I'm looking at her, I'm like, oh, no, she's meant to give these questions in the way she gives them. But depending on who's sitting on the seat, people will interpret it differently. There was a guy that was here, a musician, what's his name?
Shazik.
Yeah.
Shazik.
And the way she was asking, he also got a little, a porcupine-ish, but no one is really going into that because that is not their interpretation of him, which is fine. That's what you got from Mutandega. But the point is for me, which is funny, I love that you say you're here. So you're familiar with the Ghost Lady. And if you're familiar with her, you'll understand that she's meant to sharpshoot certain
So you
questions.
feel like she's a bit
with
provocative.
as she should be.
Yeah.
In the show like this.
Okay.
She is designed to be
Mhm.
because I've analyzed. So with you knowing that design and then saying you don't like the treatment, which is not a treatment that's very adverse from what was coming from the other person, then I don't see anything to really say you're talking about because you kind of like
No, I didn't
familiar
talk
with
about
the-
it. You talked
Hold
about
on.
it.
No,
I
I'm
was
talking about
just
that.
elaborating on
No,
what
you said. There's a
started.
clip here that says to you, we had an issue or interpreted a certain way.
Yes, I
Wh-
was explaining
May I
what
finish?
the topic that you had
May I
started
finish?
about me and singled me out.
Okay, I'll say-
whereas it was a topic of the show.
Okay, for
It
me,
wasn't a Londi London
I have
thing.
a good memory. The reason I said that, I said people's interpretation. And you just happen to be a hypothesis of mine. Né? That is it. That you've said something.
No, but you said I
which is-
said a negative thing.
Whatever. Maybe I'm wrong. And if I'm wrong, skis. If I'm not,
Thank you for that.
then directly to it.
Yes.
So what I'm trying to say to you is people have different, to go back, because now it's going to become a back and forth. People can see you the way they want to. They have a right to. Stop listening to people about who is Utandega. Utandega will show you who Tandega is through actions. I've said to people, I don't enter business that does not me. But whenever I'm addressing something, I'm factual. Opinions don't help anybody because you think this. It's not based in reality or truth or anything. But if you base something in reality, I can ask you, in reality, were you wearing black on that day? Can you say no? You can't say no. Because once you say no, you're lying.
Yeah.
That's what it is. Opinion is something completely different. So the point is...
To answer Phil's
from-
question, you're saying that I don't need to explain who I am because you've decided what you want to decide and you can decide what you don't want to
Exact-
decide,
Oh,
but
yeah.
you'll see from me.
Because humans...
I don't have to say who it is. Is
Exactly.
that...
There was the tension.
Yes.
No, there was no tension at all. They were very welcoming. Even Tanda, when she came in, she greeted everyone. Personally, went to Tibla, went to me, the host. It was all nice until we started with action.
Action.
And then it
Pussy
was-
patchy.
And it was really action. So yeah, they were very welcoming, I won't lie. So I don't know like how it took the turn that it took.
What do you think caused it though?
Yo, I think Tandega really wanted to address the situation with Londi London. And then
What
Londi,
situation? The ghost lady. Yeah.
I think Londi
Situation.
said something about Tandega. And then but she couldn't say what it was. Tandega couldn't say what was
Wasn't it the
issue.
ghost lady thing? Wasn't it
But it
how?
seemed like it's also something else. But
Yeah,
which
it
was
was-
also
So who
for me.
couldn't say?
Why couldn't she
If
say it?
Tandega knows, if I'm on a podcast and I know one of the motherfuckers spoke bad about me, I'm telling him, hey, I remember what you said. Because it hurt my feelings. And sometimes the person who said it may forget it because they said it in passing.
That was the
Tandega-
debate.
Tandega said, I don't remember exactly, but I know what you said. It was something not positive.
Nah.
Shit.
Yeah, and then it just went on and on.
And then after when you guys the cameras were off, how was it?
So there was a time, because we could see that now, hey, they are fighting. And then Mohali trying to stop. And then we just kept the cameras rolling. Because we
Always
didn't
keep
know
the
what
cameras
to do.
rolling, man.
We didn't know what to do. It was tough. It was tough. Even after, you could see that it's awkward. And then she just went out. They hugged. And then she went out. And then, yeah.
Wow, man.
Happy Women's Month, man. That was perfect for the spirit of women's month. No. Put a group of women in a room and a group of men in a room. Which room will have a fight breaking out first?
We don't know.
Generally.
A few moments later.
No. At the same time, what does she do for a living?
When does she study? When does she go to Italy? When? Who are you? Where? Isn't she from the Val?
Apparently, we have a Val inside source.
We have inside source.
We have a Val inside source. Shout out to the Val.
Val, Italy.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So now we have someone who's from the Vaal, says she's from the Vaal, and then the Vaal is also called Italy. So maybe when she's referring, that's where she was flying referencing rather.
Yeah, but you don't learn Italian.
They don't
in
have,
guys. So
yeah.
she does speak Italian, so she's no. I do genuinely believe
I
that
speak
she's a
French.
traveler.
Does it mean I'm from? Commentary room?
But she never said she's from there. Alright, guys. No, man.
So really, I'm also
when they come after you guys, they got to
no,
flew
from Paris. For this episode, I flew from Paris.
No, I literally landed from Spain
And then
today.
I'm gonna fly back.
No, actually, I came from the Dominican Republic.
This episode, right?
It's an easy, quick thing. You know, it's only 2 hours to go to France.
And also, I'm gonna use my pocket money because you know why my pockets are deep.
Because even if you're a waiter, guys, even if you're a waiter in Europe, guys, the money does not mess. The mess is not messy.
Yeah, I saw there was a
like what the hell?
And you know what? If she comes for you guys,
Yeah.
we don't give a fuck.
Okay, but also let's
Let's rewind that part.
the money does not mess. The mess is not messy.
Yeah, I saw there was a
like what the hell?
And you know what? If she comes for you guys,
Yeah.
we don't give a fuck.
Okay, but also let's get back to the ghost lady thing, guys.
Yes,
Ghost lady is the nicest person on this network, guys.
Sweet.
I remember when we first.
She's the best of us.
Exactly. You know.
yeah, she is. I love her.
No, remember at the shoot when the shoot was not happening. It was not, but she was so concerned about what.
Yeah,
I love her down. Shout out Ghosty.
Shout out Ghosty.
Don't ever let some people from Italy disrespect you.
No, it was. Whether you are
And we sugar, there was a don't be too harsh. Just relax.
concerned about what.
Let's rewind that.
I love her down. Shout out Ghosty.
Shout out Ghosty.
Don't ever let some people from Italy disrespect you.
It was.
Whether you are
And we sugar, there was a don't be too harsh. Just relax.
But also the point that you made that you said
She doesn't like
She has a problem with women.
Yes. Is that what you feel from watching, like even on the show?
Let's rewind. Oh my God, where is it? Hold on. Huh? You don't?
No.
Hold on. We're gonna replay that.
From Italy disrespect you.
It was.
Whether you are
And we sugar, there was a don't be too harsh. Just relax.
But also the point that you made that you said
She doesn't like
She
women.
has a problem with women.
Yes. Is that what you feel from watching, like even on the show?
Even on the show.
So guys, I was sleeping and a lot of
You
people
know,
sent me
oh, sorry. When I say God is good to other people, I don't believe in God. But if they do, they serve him because had I known going into there. And I said Utangaz. So let me start here, first of all. The girl with the tattoos, I forget her name. It was the first time I ever saw them. And the guy, ne? Just write down the name for me to remind me what their names are. The girls with the tattoo and the guy. No, Ulonde London, I'd never had like a face. No, Ulonde London, I'd never had like a face to the name. I just knew the name. Ne? Those other two, I didn't even know existed. To me, they never existed. And I think the reason why I knew about Ulonde London is because obviously she's got a bigger following than theirs, ne? And she did say, Guti, they centered her, ne? But they all said something, okay? So the guy owns up to having said something worse, but in an attempt to save Ulondi. And Mina, I don't really have much to say about the girl with the tattoos on her face and the guy, because at the end of the day, they were pandering to Ulondi London, and she seems to be the ringleader, ne? Of whatever's going on, because you see them like at a desperate attempt to keep trying to save her, right? I understand it in save her, but anyway, trying to save her, which is fine, ne? However, she frames it only as she frames it only as Usho something or Ghost Lady. Oh yeah, by the way, she did talk about me again, we podcast and chill. Let me just pull that file quickly. Hold on. think Polifile like because Konanzo Dila Nago. Anyway, hold on. Let's pull that file quickly. Away. You have to forgive me, guys. I don't know. Why am I locked out of here? Oh, God. Anyway, I don't know if you see the clip, but it's here when she was on Podcast and Chill and she was having a drink. And I think she mentioned something about you should get to Tandega to come and teach you to say a certain word. That was on Podcast and Chill. But I'm talking about something that is there on the internet. First of all, Otewo no reliable source from Eval or whatever. Otewo, you have a reliable source, so ask them about me then. Ne? And the thing is about, which I wasn't gonna do this, but after finding out about this girl, I'm just gonna say something. I have to say something about this. I have to say something. Hold on a second. I have to say something because she said that I must go do a digging. So I need to go find out about who Londi London is. How is she? How has she accumulated following Le Anayo and everything? Ne? And I'm walking into there. Let's find out about Londi London first before I tackle Ivito Latingila. So I'll go into it. Let me roll the clips. Maybe it's good I roll the clips on this one. I'm not really sure if I should roll the clip on this or I should just explain it. But anyway, I found a video of Londi London with, it's her and she's wearing a, I don't know whether, but it's a two-piece intimate thing. I don't know whether it's an intimate thing or it is a bikini. Hold on, for Delsing is correct. Let me see this clip quickly. But she's with a guy, like a big guy, and they're in a room and they've obviously been doing stuff together. Ne? And I'm sitting and I'm thinking, is that when publicly on a history, you got a history that other people have the privilege to have made their mistakes in private and learned from them and nobody knows them. Because in the beginning of the podcast, they talk about how women have had to sleep their way to the top. Shout out to the women that have not, the podcast that we were on. And Londi London sadly cannot share the same sentiment. Now you meet Otandega Shabalala, who do not have a history efanane yakho. Ne, angina history yokuthi mengihamba nwebeka. I really don't. Ne, it's fine. I'm gonna come for you and roll the clips. Manjo wena ufunti sonke kade Santos. And you're gonna try and either make up stories, say that we're lying, which is projection, because when the only way you know that a woman could have made it is using the down below. That's all that exists. It says more about you than anybody else, rather than just for you to let other women just exist. Because when I went Potako, because you, again, same thing, because it seems to follow you throughout life. You got these two people, right, adults on the podcast, the girl with the tattoos and the guy. You got two of them, and they seem to be wanting to follow you, because when the only thing you ever structure is having minions to follow you, because you yourself were once a minion. The reason you ended up having to go to Usantuze to get where you were is because the slay queen thing and giving up booty was a thing at the time, and that's how women were making it. And it got you so quickly you couldn't even have had a choice. Ne? And nakhona when I'm saying that, but it got you so quickly you couldn't even have had a choice to say, is this really what I want to do? Or is it one day going to affect me personally within myself? Forget about what other people might think. You need to be comfortable with your own decisions about when, how do you feel about them? And clearly you are not. And that, again, I'm going to explain what jealousy is. Jealousy is when you see your life's evictions or the things that you wish you embodied in somebody else. Sonke Snomon, All of us. But it depends on Ugutu, what do you do with your jealousy? Does this jealousy, when you see somebody, I've seen educated women when I was growing up and I was like, oh my God, I wish I was like them. I've seen women who are making it, and I was a young girl, and there used to be like it's human nature. It's supposed to, it's a driving force. It depends on what you choose to do with it. Ne? And when I instead, ngomona wako ukuthi thina, we do not have videos of ourselves. I don't know where you were sitting with this person, but I don't have a video of doing somebody. I couldn't even comprehend how you could even, I don't know, kiss that person. And I didn't even think that they were in your caliber. But anyways, desperation will make people do unruly things. Yes, Londilanda and Coleman out. And I hope you find this. And Minangizok, oh, now that's the difference. I don't know how you could have comprehended, but I kind of do understand that money was involved and that was your payout. And then you decided, oh, okay, I'm going to do this. But Musa Ukfunuguti, all of us need to die for Amagala Ako. That is wrong. I'm just going to tell you. So I sat there with this woman yesterday who kept not wanting to own anything that she ever did, anything that she ever said. Instead, uzofagana, no ghost lady, of which I would call a ghost lady professional because she is working. I even said, uyasebenza ghost lady, she's meant to provoke those types of feelings. It's TV, it sells, it is what it is. Uzofaka umuntu ongahlangene with anything, because when you fail to just say ukuthi no mina thande angikufuni because A, B, C, and D, and then it die on your hill, and it's fine, it's okay, ne? So you sit there and say I'm not reliable, and again, why ulambele my life so badly, like to know about my life? I don't get it. I've never seen somebody being crucified because they do not want to share their private life. Why must I share my private life with you? I'll tell you why you wanted that. You want something that you can use against somebody. You are the type of friend where people tell you something, then you're going to sit there and be like, oh, you know what? You came crying to me. You came this to me. I supported you as a friend. You're that type of a person. You've never had any sort of somebody came to you. Yeah, perhaps I don't know your friendships, but I can assume. Right now, let me assume. I can assume you're the type of person that wants to use things against other people. And sadly, that's not what you got from Mutandek. Sadly. Because you know why? I decided a long time ago what should be known about me and what should not be known about me. And I decided a long time ago as a young person to grow and make better decisions and not allow anybody to make decisions for me. Whether it was trending, whether it is something that was the in thing, and at that time, the in thing was what you were doing, which is fine, and it's okay. Okay? No one is judging you for Leontoleo, but I'm going to come for you now and say something about you that you know more, sis, and you're spineless. And the fact that you couldn't own it yesterday when I sat in front of you and I hadn't the foggiest of notions what it is that you had said. And I won't lie to you, watching that video actually pissed me off. It pissed me off because I had no idea this is the type of nonsense that you were saying about me. I had no idea. That's why it was for a good reason. Because I don't think they would have been able to air that podcast. Anyway, walking into that podcast, I'll tell you the behind the scenes. The mood was already set. The tone was set. The hostility from the time I walk in was there. I just didn't understand what it was until I greeted, because I greeted them and then I went and I sat. Yeah. And then I hear the name, Londilanda, and I'm like, this is the reason why. This is the reason why umoya of this place is so tense. It was so hostile. I kid you not. But at the same time, I was like, it's fine. We are adults here. We can have some sort of adult banter, ne, as people. Like we can have, I'm an adult banter. She can make her little jab. She can say this, she can say that. But ultimately, that is not what happens. You want me to take responsibility of finding out what you said. Of which, yes, now the responsibility is on me because I've been on what's the name of it? I've been on Read the Room, and I mentioned this whole nonsense that you've been doing, right? But at the time, I did not know what exactly it was that you had said. So now I've taken it as my responsibility to go and inform myself, because you said to me that don't talk on anything unless you've informed yourself about it, and I've informed myself. I think you're spineless. I think if you had the guts, you could have just confronted me. I think you could have asked me whatever it is that you wanted to ask me, because I can see the line of questioning that you really wanted to ask was one where you are going on and calling me a liar. And you're hoping that I live the same life that you lived so that you can feel better and say, I'm not the only one. I'm not the only one who got screwed for money. That's what you wanted. Sadly, we don't all live the same life. We don't. You're gonna, and it's sad. And I then find out all these outrageous things. Who are you to say that Mina, I don't like women? The things that you're saying about another woman, I'm not even gonna say that one. It was outrageous that you could have said that thing that you said about another woman's features. And I found it disgusting. It's disgusting that you could have said that. Why would you say that? And it wasn't even in that context. And then when umuntu compare enye into, when you decided you just gonna go for this person because you're an opportunist. You wanted to go for that poor woman. And then you want to sit here and tell us that we don't like women. You don't like women. And from the way, Futhi, when we're sitting there, you can clearly tell the mic is on the side. In a way, it's kind of like we're being paired. I'm being paired with the guy because the mic is on this side. But I make it a conscious decision to always remember, as bad as I am with my mic, I make it a conscious decision to always remember to look to the side and it's there. And then you still want to make up something and say that all I've done is look at the guy. Really? With the evidence there that I've been looking at everyone? Seriously? You make up shit just to make yourself feel better. And I don't know why. I don't get it. I think as an adult, you should move on. You should really move on. And if you've said something about somebody, confront them. I was right in your face yesterday. Ulothandeko ngamfuni was right there in your face yesterday. You had an opportunity. But you wanted to poke some sort of like a hole. You wanted to poke holes and you wanted to make it seem like, no, what you said wasn't even that bad. And the fact that Utikzotiwa, the girl with the tattoos, was being neutral, I don't think you were being neutral if you had said stuff like that. I'm sorry, because you were out there, like, shout out to the Val. I think Umisimino Futkanje or something like that. Shout out to the Val. And you mentioned something else. I played the clip. I don't really remember it properly right now, but I played the clip and I kept saying, let's rewind, let's rewind. Then what's the problem when I came for you, we podcast, and it would have been even worse. It coming for you would have become even worse. Please don't request yet, guys. It coming for you would have been even worse if I'd known what you had said. I clearly do not know what you said. Because I didn't care. And I think it's sad that you'd invest yourself in Ukzondu Tande Angaga. Like, really? Yeah, what you said is a piss off. But honestly, I really don't care about you. I don't. I didn't even know any of those people existed before yesterday. Like 2 of them. And I didn't even know your face. And apparently you and I were at the July together. Ne? Funny thing is, I had a look at what you were wearing because I was like, and I remember there was a woman who was walking with this thing that was just long and huge and hard and walking around. And I was like, oh my goodness, I wonder how she's managing with that. I hadn't an idea that was you. But apparently I saw you. I did see you. So I mean, Ngizo owner in a place where I have seen you and I haven't seen you, but I just didn't know who you were. I just found you that you put yourself in a bit of a stickler with the dress, and I was like, oh geez, I hope they help her, because it looks like it was an ordeal to walk around with that thing flapping around. But anyway, it's fashion. It is what it is. I just thought that it was really hard. But it's just to show you good. I did not know you. Yet we're in the same Makia. You know? So stop investing yourself so much in the hatred of somebody that you don't even know. Clearly, you don't know me. Yesterday proved Utaungas, and you got what? Nothing. Because you'll never get what? Nothing. Because you know what you want? You want something that is going to what? Be in effect on the terms of you get to use it against somebody. My love, you and I were not even conceived under the same stars. You've had your battles, and I'm glad. I don't know now what's going on with you, but I am glad that you have somehow found yourself. And apparently, I think you've said something like, I'd never survive a marriage. Who the hell wants to survive a marriage? Why would you be in a marriage that you're surviving anyway? Leave if you're surviving. You're supposed to be happy where you are. And 14, is a marriage some sort of a doctorate? And I don't know, because your marriage failed for whatever the reason. Kudos to you and being able to leave a man. Maybe there's a capacity to actually choose yourself. So show yourself some love and choose yourself throughout. Uye invest energy on people that you don't like, such as Uthandeka Shabalala. That's what I want to say to you. I think you're just absolutely ridiculous that Izolo is a grown-ass woman that you could not even have owned anything that you said. And every single time, now let's fixate on the drink. Let's talk about the drink. Drink. You still want to... For 45 minutes, they kept asking me the same question. The same question for 45 minutes. 45 minutes of the same question. It was draining. And we'd already answered you, Guti. This is Uthandeka. Deal with it.